Morning students, welcome to our lecture, that is chapter similarity. I have got some responses on a message that if you have any doubt regarding any concept of algebra or geometry, we will explain that once again. So I got that you have not understood BPT theorem, that is a basic proportionality theorem, very well. So I'm explaining that once again. Okay, as you all know, the statement is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. ABC is a triangle and line PQ is intersecting the two sides of the triangle, that is AB and AC, in two distinct points, that is P and Q. Okay, and if it is dividing the both sides in two distinct points, so after dividing that side must be in proportion. Okay, the line divides the side in the same proportion. That what we have to prove. Now for that, what I have taken, triangle ABC and line PQ, that is intersecting, it is intersecting to the line AB and AC in two different points, that is P and Q. Now for proving this, I have done, I have joined point P and C, B and Q, that is draw PC and BQ. Now why it is so? I think so you all have studied that property of a triangle, ratios of areas of two triangle. Okay, now based on that only we are going to solve this. Fine. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take two triangles, that is APQ and PQB. You all can see here, all of you, this is APQ and PQB. Okay, now so what I'll do, in triangle APQ and triangle PQB. Okay, now why I have drawn, or I have drawn from point Q one perpendicular on the side AP. Okay, this is nothing but the height of triangle APQ. Okay, so if I want to write down the area of the triangle APQ, what I'll do, half into base, that is AP, into height, that is what I'll do here, okay, SQ. Okay, SQ, that is area of triangle APQ. This is acute angle, APQ is acute angle. Now if I want to write down the area of triangle PQB, now triangle PQB is an obtuse angle and the height of the obtuse angle is always to the outside of the obtuse angle. Why? Because we can't draw any perpendicular from any point on its opposite side. That's why the height of the obtuse angle PQB will be on its outside, that is the height of the PQB will be same, that is SQ. So again the area of PQB is half into base is PB into height is again SQ. Fine. So if I'll take a ratio of these two areas, this half and this half will get cancelled, SQ and SQ will get cancelled. What remains? AP upon PB. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB equals to AP upon PB, number 1. Getting it? Now for the same time, again I'll take triangle APQ and PQC. For your understanding purpose, again I have drawn P and I'll say this R, PR. This is the perpendicular height of a triangle APQ. Okay, and again it will be same for triangle PQC. So if I want to write down area of APQ, that you all know, a half into AP into PR. Now I'm taking height PR. Okay. After that, triangle PQC equals to half into, what is the base now? QC into again height is PR. So if I'll take a ratio of this two, PR will get cancelled, half will get cancelled. What remains? AP upon QC. So again I must write in triangle APQ and triangle PQC, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC equals to AP upon QC. Number 2. Now concentrate on these two triangles. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए सब लोग. Triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Fine. Now this, for this two triangle, PQ is a base. Yes, this PQ is a base. So again the base of both triangles is same. Now PQ is parallel to BC, that we already know. Okay, so because of that the height of both triangle will be same. Yes, if the height of both triangle is same, base of both triangle is the same, the area of both triangle will be equal. Yeah, so I'll write here area of triangle PQB equals to area of triangle PQC. Understood? The area of this triangle, PQC and PQB is same. So if this two, so what I will do, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Fine. Why? Because the area of this angle and this angle is the same. That's why the ratio of these two angles is again same. So it is AP upon PB equals to AP upon QC. Okay, that what we have to prove. AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. हमें यही प्रूफ करना था कि अगर कोई एक लाइन पैरेलल होती है ट्रायंगल के दूसरी लाइन को, और वो लाइन अगर दो अदर साइड्स ट्रायंगल के इनको अगर दो डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो ये जो रेशो बनाती है ये रेशो क्या आएगा? सेम आएगा. दैट इज AP अपॉन PB इक्वल्स टू AQ अपॉन QC. I hope that you all have understood this one. Okay, now I'm going to give you some questions from the problem set. Try to understand that and send me the answers on our group. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.